to make this brownie, first off you need 1 egg, some milk, some oil, flour, some cocoa powder, just any would do, some sugar, which I've got in here, a mug to put the brownie in, and a spoon for the sizes what you're going to need. First thing we're going to do is put the egg into the cup, and that goes in with 2 spoonfuls of flour. This is going to be messy. So 2 spoons of flour and 2 of oil. This is definitely going to be messy. One, 2, and then you mix that together before adding anything else. It looks like orange juice with bits in it right now. So now the consistency is like eggy. Oh God, right. I'm gonna clean my hands. And then we're gonna add 2 spoonfuls of sugar. I'm actually gonna get another spoon for this. Oh, there's one in there, but no. This is gonna be a lot of bloody sugar. Okay, I'm gonna put a bit less in. 1.5 sugar, 2 spoonfuls of milk. I'm using non-lactose and fully skimmed. 1, 2. Then 1 spoon of cocoa. Oh, smells so good. This is what's going to make it the chocolatey. Do a little bit more. And then we're going to mix that in. And it's going to go in the microwave for 2 minutes. And when that has this kind of consistency, ignore the mess. Then, see that's got the glutes in it, but allow the glutes coming out. Then we're going to put in the mug in the microwave, and we're going to do that for 2 minutes. So I have been watching this from outside and it looks like it's exploded. Oh, maybe not. Okay, it's very, very hot. So be careful. And there we have it, a little brownie. And it also gave me time to clear. Jesus, this is fun. So, here you have a brownie. It does not look the most appetizing, but I think it might taste good. So as I was saying, the 2 minutes gives you enough time to clean everything else. So, oh God, oh my God, look at that consistency. Oh, hot. That is so good. So you can put a little bit less sugar and a little bit more chocolate if you do fancy, because yeah, the sugar is not very much needed, and it's a little brownie. It's so cute. It's just like a little cut brownie. It's that big, and it's 3 minutes and you're done. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like this video and subscribe.